Is yawning a sign that someone is using drugs? Well, I mean, not necessarily. It could be, somebody who's using drugs could be yawning a lot because they're tired, but somebody who's working a lot and not sleeping well could also be yawning and they're not using drugs. So in my houses, I've had other people reach out and say, hey, I saw so-and-so, at a meeting and they were yawning. It looked like they were nodding out. And I've had this happen several times and I've tested them and they were not using drugs. So it could be, but not necessarily. So the way I approach things like this is I just look for red flags. If something is a red flag, I don't want to make any assumptions. I just test them and we'll find out, because I don't want to be thinking that somebody might be getting high when they aren't. And also I don't want to assume that they're not when they are. So I test them and I find out, and then we know.